Matt Davio here again. Scalper's delight. This market continues to be stuck, Eric. Friday we were stuck. We were stuck in this, 11:02 to 11:10, and we're right back there today. We really vacillated 11:04 to 11:08. We ended up staying. We were short over the weekend. We ended up pulling about 1.7 points out of that. Covered at 11:05. We were short 11:07. And then today we got short 11:08 down to 11:06.5, and then at the close 11:09 down to 11:06 for 6.25 points. It wasn't pretty, but there were three trades. We also came in short gold from 11:25 on Friday. We covered that this morning at 11:15. We closed 11:14.18, so or 80. So again, everything is just stuck here. We got short some commercial real estate, the IYR. I shorted a little bit of that stock today, the ETF. Into the close at some strength. I think that's looking a little tired. But, again, the volatility, we're back to the teenage years on the VIX. We're just grinding here. The volume is pathetic. It's muted. And after a holiday week last week where we said we were not going to have much action, we continue to make money, chipping away point after point here. It's not pretty, but we're getting it done.
So let's go back to the basics, which is I sent out an email this morning. I'm going to give anybody that joins the room for the month of March, they're going to get this last week of February absolutely free, $3.99. It's $100 a week. It's 2 ES points. But I want to say something to you right here on the screen, Matt. A lot of people don't understand. In this business of education, I sent an email out. If you got that email, check your inbox. You opted in to receive it, or you joined one of our webinars where we've been so far profitable in every live trading webinar. Me and you, we're going to discuss doing a live webinar on live stream later this week. But here's the key. You always say don't scalp, make money being an intraday swing trader. But on the flip side, on a day like today, you guys got to take what the market gives you.
You do have to take. You do have to take what the market gives you. And again, we were in a 5-point range in the opening half hour, very tight. So we said to our members,
don't trade. 0
to 5. But what I do say, Eric, also is when we put on a trade and it goes our direction by 2 points, we start moving stops. It's as simple as that. Even if it is a swing trade, I still will move my stops on partial of the position. I'm going home short a little bit here again today. I covered the bulk of my day trading, and I do have a swing trade. I'm swing trading short all the way up to 11.25. We're at 11.07. Right. You're talking 18 points. You're talking not even 1.5% above us that I'm shorting into. So they're two separate trades, but you have a day trade and a swing trade. And I always lay those out. Is it a day trade or a swing trade? But if you have a trade that goes your way by 2 points, I do move my stops to break even. At that point, a 2-point profit moves my stops.
That's $100 on one contract, and you move your stop to break, making $100.
Stops. It's all about managing the risk. And if the trade is right at some point, when it goes into our direction by 2 full points or 8 ticks, we do start moving our stops to break even. At that point, if it reverses, I find from 2 points from an entry, I'm either going to be wrong. Or I'm going to get scratched. So it's not a big deal. That being said, we've got a number of positions that we've been carrying. I've been short some Apple via some calls from last Tuesday. I'm long some price line puts from last Friday. Again, I got short some commercial real estate via the ETF IYR stock today. So we trade things that are moving. We trade where we find the opportunities, and I'm not going to give them all out here on the videos, but
right. Let me also just regarding the Twitter feed, you guys can view our audio video room, but also on my iPhone, I like to demonstrate the tweet deck. This is the tweet deck where I set one column strictly for Matt. Every time there's an alert, you can be on the road, you can be in your car. If you're trading on a mobile platform, you can see right here, short IYR today at 45.75, holding short along with our short Apple, March 210 calls still, and long July 220 PCLN puts, ZN still short also. So this is basically a good way, in addition, if you're listening to the audio video room, you'll walk out to get a cup of coffee. It doesn't matter. He's transcribed everything onto the Twitter feed for you to go back and read the rest of the day, the rest of the week, the rest of the year, the rest of the month.
We try to keep trading simple, and via the tools that we have available via the internet, via the mobile devices, we keep our trading calls simple, and we keep our tools to use these simple. So again, we make money consistently. We trade less. We're not hyperactive scalpers, but by all means, 6.25 points is a pretty darn good day, and we saw similar days last
Only
week.
thing hyperactive is my 5-year-old standing behind me.
Right, but we were doing the same thing last week. We were picking off 2 points, 1 point, 3 points. That was our week last week. We were, it wasn't pretty, but at the end of the week, we probably took, 8, 9 points last week on the 4 trading days. We start this week up 6.25 points. So again, yes, the service pays for itself very quickly. One day.
Oh, one more thing. I get a lot of emails, and then we'll wrap this up. I get a lot of emails about people sending me the haters, if you will. If you're so good at trading, why do you have a service? Look, guys, it's very simple. Time is valuable. Matt was giving his information out for free for years on the internet. I found him. I basically told him, hey, buddy, if you're going to give this advice, this one-on-one mentorship, and you want to watch and sit on the shoulders and trade, this man right here does not trade on a sim account. This man feeds his 4 children on his own trades. When you come to our room, whether it's the one-on-one mentorship or the Ustream, there is no holy grail. There's no indicator package. There's no plug-in. It's all about what's in that receding head above that I'm looking on that screen. And he'll give you the information. He'll give you the knowledge. He'll give you a way to trade. And that's all I can basically say. So again, less is more. Indicator free. We don't have any bells, whistles, green arrows, red arrows. All that pretty stuff. You pay $4,500. It is an example for a 2-day seminar. I got a call from a guy yesterday. He said he paid $5,000 for a 2-day, something seminar, which we've all seen the infomercials online. And at the end, they give him a software plugin that shows a green arrow and a red arrow.
Good luck.
Good luck.
All right. 888-201-4201. Give Eric a call. Peace.